Okay, the date is Friday, September 28th, 2018. This is Roberto Williams speaking. This video is documenting the final assembly of a pair of rooftop ventilator fans that I have designed and built for the Gotham Warehouse and Storage Building diorama, which has been built for the 9art line of Legends of Gotham City action figures. These ventilator fans are functioning off of low voltage stepping motors that are advertised to function at 6 rotations per minute, although they do seem to be functioning slightly faster than that. However, I do consider it acceptable, seeing as the speed that they're turning still seems correct for the scale of these fans. These fans are scaled at 1/9 scale, like the line of action figures themselves. Here is my hand for reference of size. And these fans have yet to be painted. They will be painted in silver and then weathered in rust and all sorts of grimy colors and patterns. A special thank you acknowledgement goes out to Jason Chambers, 3D render artist, who rendered these fan heads and the low bases for each of these fans quite expertly. Another thank you goes out to Shapeway Printers, who 3D printed the files that Jason created into these final units that you see here.